How's it going, everybody? It's Christian L here with Eat Like an Apex. This evening we're here in Belmont, California. We're still in the COVID-19 times, not meeting with a lot of people. There's a spot here in Belmont where they invited us to come and join them for dinner, and so we're gonna do that this evening here as Sean and Ale prepare the food for us to try. It's gonna be, I believe, some tacos and some different types of sauces. So with that said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that, and I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now. Also gonna feature a knife that a friend of mine, Chef Excalibur on Instagram, had sent to me as a gift. All right. Hey guys, we're here at Ale's place. This is Ale here, and there's Sean. We're doing tacos today. Excited to see the cooking process. Excited to just hang out with our friends today. We're gonna have a good time tonight and enjoy some of that good cooking. Yay! Thanks guys, Ale and Sean. That's a Damascus knife. There it is.
He cooks like a 5-star chef.
I'm pretty sure these are hand carved, right?
Yeah, hand carved.
Yeah.
Again, big thanks to Chef Excalibur for providing me with the knife we're gonna use here for this video today. So Sean answered it.
Yeah.
Okay, so Chef Sean just rinsed that chicken, cleaned it thoroughly, inside and out. Ale says she loves it the way he does it, so I think that's a good thing.
There you go.
There you go. Okay, so he added that bay leaf into on the chicken like thigh end, opening up that flap so that way that's gonna absorb, right, Sean? Yeah. It's gonna absorb the some of the essence of that bay leaf.
This is also tarragon in the cavity of the chicken I'm putting in here. Yeah, that's perfect actually. Yeah. That's a way bigger incision than the last one.
You're watching how to cook. Memorize everything so you can do it again.
Okay, so he's applying the different spices onto that chicken as a rub, and that's gonna also just kind of embed into that chicken to give it some more of that flavor from the different herbs and spices that he's using.
Because it's a more Mexican taco night theme, I'm using smoked paprika rather than regular, so the smell is a lot more flavorful, and as it again circulates into the oven, it's gonna get a really good heat. Oregano.
That's almost like that.
Pretty much.
For dice because I want to.
So he tied that chicken with that banded rope to hold the herbs inside of that chicken, so when it cooks, it won't fall out. Expert move right there, strategy move. Masterclass cooking right now. Oh yeah. Yeah, that vinegar smell.
Aged cherry vinegar. Not the bottom rack, but the top rack. You want more heat on that.
So there you have it. It's been placed into the oven. That's just gonna cook. They're gonna do some more prepping for the tacos. So is that mango?
Yeah.
Oh man.
If you eat the skin, it's a little bitter.
Oh, that's sweet. That's some sweet mango. Oh, that's good. He's gonna chop some of the onions with that Japanese handmade Damascus knife. Again, from Chef Excalibur.
Oh my, like butter.
Yeah.
And that was one smooth follow through.
Nice.
I did not hesitate on that at all.
That's nice.
They know what they're doing. Really nice, even smooth strokes, trying to get as small pieces as I can.
Okay, so they are just like hammering it, getting to work here. The spices, the fruit, the salsa, the onions, this arrangement of food prepared in his kitchen. You just know it's gonna be delicious, yeah. Ollie, chopping that mango. It's good.
Because it's so sharp, I'm just kind of gonna run through this really quick. I don't want my fingers in this, so.
Yeah.
Making me water right there. That's a whole bunch. Unskilled yet confident expertise in using knives. I'm just using a little more of a pinch to hold down these chives.
Oh, that looks gorgeous.
Well, don't forget, there's 3. I mean, there's gonna be a little avocado.
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
Fresh cucumber. Oh yeah.
Quality of Lenardi's.
So as we reiterate, we are having tacos. It's gonna be chicken and steak tacos. So
Well,
we got
we
you
have
guys.
made it before.
you guys are executing it.
Oh, that?
You use that spices, the paprika, the pepper, the salt, rub that onto or kind of sifted it onto that skirt steak, coating it.
The nails.
Mangoes to snack on.
Oh, Oh, that's cucumber.
Oh, sorry. Cucumber.
I do that all the time.
Some green mangoes right there.
Cucumbers.
Organic blue corn tortilla chips with flaxseed.
Okay, here we go. And bite.
That angle.
Now the chip is good, but adding that salsa elevates that. Taste the cucumber, the mango, that sweetness. It's refreshing.
Oh my gosh. That's bomb.
Yeah.
What's awesome about this knife is that one, it's a great knife, but two, with a skirt steak cut, because of how insinuated it is on the inside of it, this knife is able to go through it and almost no effort at all.
Yeah. Again, you have Chef Excalibur's knives on there. I'll link his information too, as far as if you're interested in purchasing a knife just like that.
Mixture of the 3 choices that we had, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
We're doing it all
The salsa, man.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah.
But it's sweet, it's crispy, still
Yeah.
like.
Oh yeah. Jicama. It's crispy, it's sweet.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
That's like so well formed.
He just gutted those avocados, just smooth, that green, and some lime. And I don't think I've ever had it like that before.
It's so bomb.
That was a little Himalayan.
Himalayan salt. Oh yeah, you taste that difference. It's
Really fresh.
that granulate is a little, yeah, more thick. And oh, that avocado is smooth, creamy. That's so delicious. Wow.
Oh
Oh yeah. I'm sorry.
What color? Maybe something cool. Okay. Monty, don't.
Here we go, cheers. All right. Oh yeah, that's sweet. And like icy too.
I could take that again.
Yeah, that's good.
Told ya.
Nice.
Forget about it.
Yep. Yep. He's took the chicken out of the oven. Again, round 2, the second cook. Dress that with the olive oil. The smells are magnificent, man. I'm telling you right now, that's just gonna be, you know, it's gonna be flavorful, juicy, oh so delicious. Okay, that was just a power move right there. You leverage that chicken to get those juices more towards the end so you can scoop that and just rejuice that chicken, man. That's a power play right there. Oh, man.
Right?
That's good. All right, cheers.
It's tall for this.
Cheers. Cheers. All right.
Bad.
This is onion with avocado with the blue chip. Oh, yeah. Oh, caramelized onion on that guacamole. Been a big fan of onions, so no surprising how delicious that is. Wow. Oh yeah. So as they continue the prep and the cooking in the kitchen, the smells are just like overwhelming now. It's like everything is just, oh, it smells great. The aroma, like tantalizing smells that just invigorate your nostrils. It's so good. Man, I'm excited.
There it is.
Oh man. I guess we shall do this. This is the spicy chili sauce. Here we go. Oh man. You gotta try it.
Is that strong? That's some kick.
It's a sauce. Yeah, that's not even a lick.
Oh my gosh.
What are you gonna lick it?
Yes, I did. I got the bottom. I'm not drinking that. Mm-mm.
All
I
right.
tasted it. Oh wow.
hot.
He's gonna cry too.
I love it.
Oh, one fell in. No worries.
All right. Cheers. Go for it. From that serrano and those chili peppers, but coupled with the mango and cucumber, kind of tones it down a little bit, but it's still so good. Yeah. Okay, so we just placed that steak skirt into that skillet right now, cover with those caramelized onions. That is just like this steaming and cooking. You smell those intense flavors from that. Oh wow, it's smelling so good.
This guy might have been, wow, another piece of meat. The juices now have gotten a little bit browner.
Right.
Has gotten hot and started to cool off. Quite hot, so I'm trying to work as fast as I can here. 2, rosemary there.
Look at that.
He went up deep.
It's like tattooed in there.
Oh my goodness,
Oh, yeah.
that's a squirter.
Yes. Yes. Okay, so he just like sliced that chicken in half, opened up that cavity after taking out that rosemary and manipulating that chicken. Okay, he's getting ready for the deboning process and just slicing that up with the chef's caliber Japanese Damascus knife.
Get no effort.
Oh man. Ooh. That is like super tender. So much flavor. Juicy. You taste those hints of like those different herbs in it. The tarragon, that rosemary, and different spices on it too. Embedded in that flavor profile. That's delicious, man. Wow. Chef Sean doing it up with Chef Ale.
Because I don't have a processor, so best I can do is just do it kind of like this.
Wow.
But even then, how soft it is.
Cooking in the back. Solve all the clients.
All right, he just did a move. That is masterclass strategy to use that leftover juices from the chicken, and just rejuicing that into that chopped up chicken.
Yeah.
Cheers, guys.
This is the asada.
Thanks for joining us, even if you're at home. Welcome to the Apex family.
I made mine kind of a medium rare, which I love. Oh, that's excellent. Juicy. Oh, that flavor of that steak. Loving each piece of this this dinner.
Went for a walk like that. Those stairs are too much for him.
We went.
On top.
Everything.
And there you go.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, blah 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 blah. Happy blah blah to you. Alright, the food has arrived. Chef Sean, Chef Ale, a unique blend of different spices and herbs to simulate a plate of beauty, man. That is just beautiful. You have the chicken and you have the avocado, guac styled with the cilantro, and then the different herbs in there with this. And oh, she did add the spicy sauce in there too, which was respectfully hot. You have that asada skirt steak with that avocado, that spice, the cilantro, and the corn tortilla. Sprinkle some of that lime on the food.
Go sit down for your tacos, I think.
All right. Okay. Okay.
Turn the camera.
Bite.
Ooh.
Savory.
Hold on, let me.
Okay, that bite right there. Man, you taste those herbs, man. You taste those spices. You taste that hot sauce. Wow, that actually gives it some kick right there. But I love that variation of chicken, because it's not just any grilled chicken or oven cooked chicken. This was made with love. And that tortilla, the guac, you have the creaminess of the avocado, coupled with that tenderness of the chicken. Yeah, those spices. Just the mingling ingredients in there will elevate this thing to the next, man. And wow, that's got to be one of the best chicken tacos I've ever had. Seriously, one of the best chicken tacos I've had.
I'm gonna do one.
Finish this up. Skirt steak, taco, and you have that. I'm gonna give credit to that tortilla too. That tortilla, the corn tortilla that they have here. It's not small where you feel like it's too small, or too big where you feel too. It's like perfect size tortilla. You guys did a great job finding the right tortilla size. And yeah. No, shout out to Ale. Okay, here goes the steak skirt that they made here. Again, dressed with the spices. There's herbs. Oh, look here. Yeah, she's doing it. She's doing it up too. yeah. And okay, I just got to go for it now. Steak taco.
Wow.
How's that bite?
Oh wow.
Sorry for the quality, guys, but that is Eat Like an Apex.
Oh, that steak, man. It's not chewy. I love those added ingredients, the components of the guac, the cilantro, everything about this taco. I could probably go for a little bit more hot sauce. I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put some hot sauce. I'm gonna do it.
Spicy.
Right here, Sean.
Oh my gosh.
Love to hear it.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, here we go.
Love to hear it. Love to see
Oh
it.
man, come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh my gosh.
That good? That's good.
Respectively.
Okay. Here we go. This is Nacho hot sauce, man. That's Scoville level. It's up there. Here we go. Bite. Woo.
Right in me.
I love it. Having that hot sauce kind of adding into that taco, it really, you still taste that heat. It's still very hot, but having that combination, it kind of depletes that a little bit. I love it. I love it. All right, he added some of those grilled onions in here too. Here we go.
Really well done. Team effort.
Those onions, man, are just, oh, yeah. Thank you. It's perfect right there. Thank you, Ale.
Oh, and your cilantro.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
You alright, Sean?
Just like my mama make it.
Then you won't have as much
Mango
tomorrow.
cucumber. Oh yeah. What do you think?
Spice. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Here we go. Boom. Wow. Oh wow. Man, that chicken, man.
Not bad.
Forget any misconceptions of chicken tacos you've had. You know, having it made this way, and you see the effort put into making that chicken. You taste the difference, man. You taste the pure, like, expertise when you do chicken that way. Well, this chicken has been done right. Wow.
I'm a dangerous man.
Man.
I'm a
Boom.
You're crazy.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Boom.
It already happened.
I know.
Dab, dab, dab.
Ooh.
Like a different flavor profile that pops in with that hot sauce. And that is something that benefits this taco.
Literally, it's the mix and the stuff, and it's like 20 minutes.
Come back tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
You want to eat just like that kind? You look coming to bounce off.
Oh yeah,
the
please,
heat.
please. Both proteins, the chicken and meat. And you see that spoonful spoonful of that hot sauce, man. My voice. I went down my throat. Incredible, I love it. Yeah, I am sweating. I am sweating. You see those beads of sweat right there. Guys, this has been a culturally uncorious meal in that you want to have this again one day because it's the food is great. The hospitality from Ale right there, and from Sean was amazing. We are thoroughly just satisfied and pleased. It's been a pleasure to come hang out. And it might not be a lot of people. You might not have big gatherings, but just just a little bit amount of people. We can definitely enjoy the company and the food. That's about it. Thanks, guys.
Till next time.
Appreciate it. Yeah, till next time for sure. All right, later.
It's looking a little dry, so I'm gonna glaze them off a little bit with olive oil. Oh my goodness! Wow.
Wow.